when no one will think of me to take home, and nowhere else to belong. Caught in and out and walk alone. You took a step while reaching out. You shook my life and pulled me out. Then fill the room with your smile. I won't forget the look. Through life in every corner, your moonlight prayers calling. Into this more, keep walking next to me, and soon taking all history. Though life can be sore, while light is seen a lot more. We share every bit of what those times are made of. Looking again over the stories kept inside. All memories come out overwhelmed. I share them with you. Away alone, no one will see the step you take, and know that you've been through for me to get to be here, right there, and so close. All that it will take for me to be whole and delighted. Stand here with you, coming again with the words I wanna say. It's just I am grateful. Oh, so soon it was a joyous spring has come to us. A new departure season through a faraway new city move. You let me be with you once again. When falling alone and feeling deep, I'll be here so that you can see. I send it all en route because I'm always here for you. Now we see everything life brings you's not an easy journey. As you went hard to be concealing all your tears, still on we go. Every day take a step at your pace so you can become mature and walk on through for me to get to be sitting here next to you. To me, if I can know you smile, if you show me your brighter days, I'll pray for every joy you get. Deep inside your heart, it's found within to be a part of what you'll be. Say, giving you so much is your own. I can understand plenty love. Angel has bloomed. Don't cry that anymore. Remember now back in the day how you would keep your face in smiles always. Looking back, I stare at these views I follow. All memories come from within. I share them with you. Away alone, no one will see the step you take, nor roll the drops of tears you suffer out. Becomes a new meaning to align with you. I could soon know that plenty true love got the bloom. Coming again with the words I wanna say is just I am grateful. It's true evermore. You will be okay. It's true evermore. My love remains for you.
This map gun have 49 million bullets.